My name is Geetika and today I'll be making a quick and tasty pepper rasam. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, a tablespoon of oil, few curry leaves, some salt for taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of jaggery and tamarind in the size of a small lemon, coriander and 2.5 glasses of water. First, I'm going to add the pepper, then the cumin seeds and the garlic into the mixer. This is how it should look after putting it into the mixer. First, I'm going to add the oil. Then I'm going to add the curry leaves. After letting it fry, I'm going to add the mixture that we made earlier. And now let's mix it for a while. Now I'm going to add the salt and turmeric powder. Next, I'm going to add the water. Now let's mix it for a while. Next, I'm going to add the jaggery and the tamarind. Next, I'm going to add the coriander. Now let's mix it and wait for it to boil. We should not boil it for a long time as it will start to smell. As you can see, it's starting to boil, so I'm going to turn the flame off. Now I'm going to close it with a lid. Now our tasty rasam is ready to be served and enjoyed.